Roads on maps are usually not straight. Do you know how to measure the length of a curved road on a map? Let's try on this. Place a piece of paper at point X on the map. Mark X on the paper. On both the paper and the map, mark the end point of the first straight line. Turn the paper along the road slowly. Mark the start and end points of the next straight section, and so on. Use a ruler to measure the length of the road on the paper. Change the representative fraction into a statement scale. The scale of the map is 1 to 20,000. In a statement scale, it is 1 centimetre to 200 metres. The length of the road on the map is 7.5 centimetres. Therefore, the actual length of the curved road is 200 metres times 7.5, which equals 1,500 metres.